Waiting for the driver information to get put into the screen before these guys can go. That's a late model Senator. Okay, that's Alan Willers from Cambridge. God, used to run a 56 Chevrolet. Remember when we were young fellas, we used to cruise Cambridge. I had a custom line, he had his 56. So he's up against Ryan Ward. Ryan running a Mitsubishi GTO 3-litre V6. 6-litre Chev in the 207 HSV Senator. Oh, look at that thing skate all over the place. It's going for it. Look at that. Holy moly. Doesn't 11.8 at 100. Yeah, Paris is getting old. That's a shit skid, that one. Hey, pussy. Hey, he usually does a really good skid. He's up against Ryan Ward's Mitsubishi GTO. Now that one thing was skating all over the place when it took off on his first run. This will be interesting. Oh, he's been beaten by a Japper. He's not going to live this one down. Does he? A brilliant reaction time, 0.078 for Paris. 0.4. Oh, he gets beaten with a 12.037, 121. Paris are a 13.883, 107. So the 36 Chev comes up against the RX-7. King Store Cox from Togara is up against Peter Fleming. That took off, didn't it? Wow. Gets to the 60 foot mark at 1.6, 2.1 for the sedan. 11.505 at 118 for that RX-7. 15.849 at 79.54. Matt Kingy doing his burnout in the burger fuels. 69 Camaro is up against Mike Varley in the Holden. Alrighty, both in stage. Oh, Matt Kingy's really doing well now. 0.281 reaction, a 0.87 reaction for Mike Varley though. Speeds don't come up on the announcer screen. The actual contrast will have all that on. Ryan is a 3-litre GTO. With a passenger. 383 Chevrolet there. 0.69 reaction, a 3.92 reaction from Ryan Ward. Ryan Ward's easily taking that one. 11.3 at 131 miles an hour. 13.4, 99 at 100. 88, Derek, 7, Chris, Big Store, Conks. From Togara, he's up against Gary Searson, also from Togara, in the little tea bucket. Runs a small block Mopar, Chrysler. 471 Supercharger on the top. And runs a reliable little car. Gary with a .217 race. And that's with William from
FC runs today. Yeah.
we'll see you again. Going too quick. As you see our next turn we weren't good the gas was spinning today. Just got to get both wheels spinning on. Come on. Yeah. None of this single spinner shit.
Full wheel spin.
Alright, he's up against Ryan Ward in that GTO. This is quite impressive, you think. I'm not 100% up on these things, but I think it's four-wheel drive. V6. Don't know if it's turbo. I know they just bring in the turbo version. Takes off. So that Mitsubishi GTO even had a better reaction on 1280 as opposed to 429. Ryan could go pretty well and just fine, I would say. If I get it. No, I didn't get it. Oh, I don't know. Kevin Roy takes that one with a 13.6 on a 13.681 on a 13.65 dial. Tom Shaw broke out. So Mick Kingy comes up against Ryan Ward. Ryan running that Mitsubishi GTO. Guys on with 11.30. Matt with a 12.2 and Matt's done 12.1. So he's still in here, but these guys are going faster. So 11.30, he's done 11.37. Just here on the side of going a little faster at the moment. So he's in the track now. Oh, that could cost him. Both around a .2 reaction times.